In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a basketball player. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com or simply follow the link in the description below. Begin your drawing by drawing a diagonal line for where your figure will be. This will ensure that you fit the entire figure on the paper and that you will get the relative proportions correct. It's okay for this line to bend a bit. If your figure bends, then your line should too. Also draw a diagonal line for the shoulders and a diagonal line for the waist. Next, draw a simple stick figure to represent the position that your basketball player is in. Draw these lines lightly since we'll be drawing over them in later steps. You can draw a couple of simple shapes for the head, hands, and feet as well. Now you can thicken up the stick figure that you drew in the last stage by drawing shapes over the lines. You can also add the basketball shape. I went ahead and drew a line for where the eyes, nose, and mouth would be so that when I'm ready to draw them, I know where to draw them. In this stage of the drawing, you can begin to add some of the details. I added the facial features and an outline for the hair here. You can also draw lines for the fingers and begin to define some of the clothing. Now you have enough information to finish the drawing of the basketball player. You may choose to draw over your lines with ink to make the drawing have more contrast. Be sure that your drawing has a variety of lines to make your drawing look more realistic. You may also want to add some color in areas to create some contrast and add some shadows to make the drawing look more lifelike. Remember to visit howtodrawstuff.com for more step-by-step drawing tutorials like this one.